So, hello friends, welcome to my channel Sagar Info Mode. So, in this video, I will show you how to take mobile backup to your computer and again restore back to your mobile. So, for this, you need a software called Syndroid. Here, I have already downloaded and installed. You can easily download, and link will be given into the descriptions. And there is no problem will be arise in installation. So that's why I skip the installation to save you time. So taking a backup from your mobile to the laptop is two methods. A method one is connect your phone via USB cable, and method two is connect your phone via Wi-Fi network. So in this video, uh, I will show you the both the methods how to do backup with two methods. So first methods we will try connect your phone via USB cable. So I will connect my mobile to USB. So before connecting your mobiles, you must uh, you must see your mobile developer mode is on or not. If developer mode in your mobile is off, this method will not work. So it is compulsory you need to on your developer mode, and USB debugging also you have to enable it. So I have successfully connected my device Lenovo Vibe K5 Note. So after connecting, you can check whether it is connected properly or not. So Lenovo K5 Note I have successfully connected. So click on to the connect button. First method. So it is checking phone drivers. So it is checking. Now it is connecting phone. So it is successfully connecting. So this is your mobile Lenovo A7020. This is my mobile display. So I have 24 GB of my memory and 5 GB is free. So first time you need to click on to the backup button. You need to click on to the backup button to take a backup. So what are we will see the categories what we can backup from your mobile to the laptop. So SMS I have 899 SMS, contacts 455, I have contacts, call logs also, and browser bookmark, albums, more photos, audio and video. So many things, almost it cover absolutely almost it cover all the things of your mobile. So I will show you for just demo to take a backup of your SMS. So insert a backup name. So let me take SMS, my SMS. So this is optional. Now click onto the backup. So done. Open backup. See, this is a path. This PC, Windows, users, Saga, documents, Android, backup, my SMS is a folder. So in that our messages are there. This friends, you will see this file, some XML file or some SMS folder. You are not able to open this file. So this is for just for security. This is an encrypted file. You cannot open. Now after successfully taking a backup, now we will see a restore. So how to restore? Select SMS. I have already my mobile number. I have already take some backup. So first select which you want to take a backup. My SMS only. Now click restore. So I don't want to restore. So this is a methods you can take a backup of your mobile to laptop and again back to your mobiles. So now in this, so we will see a method 2, connect your phone via Wi-Fi network. So we will see how to do it. So first of all, you need to install one application in your Android mobile. So I have successfully downloaded and installed Android application in my Android. So you can see in the screen. So open the Android application. Open the Android applications. And for one thing, keep in your mind, friends, both the Android device and the laptop or desktop from which you want to take a backup, so both should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or else this method will not work. So my laptop is connected to my home Wi-Fi, and my phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi, same home Wi-Fi. So in your Android mobile, you can see one code. You need to type your code here. C0A81FC, C is capital D. Now click on connect. It is searching, so it is a fast method. So I think that, friends, instead of connecting your mobile via a USB cable, it is better to do with your wireless through Wi-Fi. It is best to do. Now same again, click on to the backup and select which you want to take a backup, and click on backup and give folder name here. After the everything is clear, done with backup, and click on restore and click restore. Everything will be get restored back to your mobile. So this is how, friends, you can take backup with the USB cable and through Wi-Fi wireless also. So thanks for watching, friends. If you like my video,